Hey, Kelly Staggs here with American Irrigator, trying to make you a better irrigator. Today I'm going to show you a little bit of a tip that when you're ditching, this will help you when you're installing your pipe. Let me show you something. We're on this job here today installing a bunch of sprinklers. You can see, I'll show you the area that we've got to irrigate. Try not to go too fast. There's our ditch witch that we're using. Something you want to do when you're ditching this, you always want to think in 90-degree angles. So we're going to come in here, we're going to have a T, so when you ditch this line into this other one, you want to make sure it's at a 90-degree angle. And see, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to here, I'm going to go this way, but instead of coming at a weird angle or something like that, I'm going to come in at a 90, so I can have another, actually this will be at elbow, a 90 degree, and then I'm going to come and then I'll have to curve it over to my next head. It'll be better to curve it over here than to come in here at a weird angle. So all the time when you're ditching and laying this thing out, you want to always think in 90-degree angles. Now there's a 45, so you could do 45 also, but we don't use as many of those, except for on corners or something that you can't get to. But when the way the fittings are, they're at 90 degrees. So there's a T, there's a 90-degree angle. You have a elbow right here that we call, it's 90 degrees. So you want to come in a straight 90 degree. That way your pipes and everything, your fittings will fit in there good. And there you have it. That's today's tip, brought to you by American Irrigator. Have a good day.